So hello YouTube, today I added one more subwoofer to my collection. Please ignore the box. The seller did not add its original box. So he packed it into the JBL enclosure, the JBL box. Let me quickly open this up. So here is the monster. Beautiful. It's Ground Zero GZTW 12 MK2 350 watt RMS. You know, I used Ground Zero subs in the past and I always been fan of Ground Zero as they purely deal into SPL stuff. This is a pretty old model, but it's a pack piece. That's why I brought it just to add into my collection. I'll keep it, try it for a few days, and then I may sell it off. I'm trying to use this sub into my home audio project. I'm trying to use this to make a active subwoofer, and I was looking for something like this which has extremely low fs. That is the reason I brought this sub. This subwoofer has fs of 22 hertz, guys. This goes down to 22 hertz. That's why I'm trying to use this for my home audio project. You can see the coil, it's as good as new. It's actually a pack piece, that's why. Extremely smooth. The surrounds are beefy. The cone is thick, so it won't reproduce any mid bass. I believe it's single voice coil 4 ohm 2-inch copper voice coil. There is a mesh on the vent as well as on the voice coil. It's very good, pretty heavy, can't be compared with Pioneer JBL definitely. It's worth, I got it for 6,000 rupees, and I think for that it's a good deal because it's a high quality subwoofer. This series is GTTW is built for high quality subwoofers. Those are not the like Iridium subwoofers. Those are not entry level subwoofers. You can see the build quality. This is steel basket though, not aluminum, but for this weight and the single magnet, it should work fine. This magnet is huge, but it is single, not a dual magnet like other brands, JBL and all. Also, you can easily see the X mass of this is 14 mm one side, so the low frequency bass will be better than any entry level subwoofer in market, which is cheap. So this is not cheap considering just a 350 watt RMS subwoofer. We can call it as an entry level subwoofer, but it's still not a cheap one. The spider is little elevated from the base. You can see the glue. It's so precise, guys. Each and everything you can see. It's very precise. This subwoofer is built like a tank, and it's a machine made subwoofer. Definitely must be made in Germany only, as Ground Zero is from Germany. It's pretty heavy and beefy as well. I hope this will work well in my home audio project. So actually my plan was to buy some active subwoofer, but I searched in market. The active subwoofers for home audio are very expensive. and definitely it doesn't look worth it. I checked the Pioneer Active subwoofer, it was around 14,000 rupees, and it was just an entry level subwoofer, 80 watt RMS, and the performance was literally very bad. Only boomy bass, no low frequency bass. Okay, then I thought of buying 85 T5, but it went out of stock immediately, and that was very budget friendly subwoofer. And as soon as I saw this thing, I purchased it to add into my collection. I'm still confused to use it into my home audio project or not. So if some of you want to buy this sub, I can sell it off for the same price, 6,000 rupees. It's unused, brand new. So right now I will test it with my this home theater Philips. Let me show you the original subwoofer from that home theater. It's just you can see this subwoofer is just 30 watt RMS at 4 ohms, and we are trying to test 350 watt RMS at 4 ohms. So this sub won't do justice. I mean, this amplifier won't do justice, but I request you just to bear with me, because this is just a simple test, not an actual performance test. We are gonna test it in free air. Let's see how the moves are. I will try 0 to 100 hertz test on first. Twenty hertz, super smooth, no noise at all, like our handmade subwoofers. You can see the difference. This is 45 hertz, 50 hertz. Great. I can't hear any boomy bass, guys. I'm very happy. Very soft and clean bass. Let me play the same track again from the 10 hertz tone. Now I will increase the subwoofer out a bit. (15 hertz). See the movement. Lovely. No noise. 25 hertz. 30 hertz. Very smooth movements. I don't want to give the clipping signal to it, as the breaking period is not yet complete. Now let's try some decaf song. try some other song.
अरे वाह ये
Lovely performance. Okay, guys. So this is the speciality of SPL subwoofers. Even entry level subwoofer is shaking like hell. Considering 350 watt RMS, any other entry level subwoofer won't perform like this.
G squared, G third, G fourth, G squared, G squared, G third, G fourth, G squared, G squared.
I can feel the depth in audio even in this free air test, guys. I'm really happy with this sub. Now I'm trying to install it as an active subwoofer. No hit, nothing. It's super cool. And it's moving pretty well even on such a low RMS power. I'm just feeding 30 watt RMS even though it's not clean. I kept bass on max on that amplifier, but still it's moving pretty good. I'm really happy. So this was all about this Ground Zero sub. If you are interested in this, you can drop your comment below and reach me out. I don't mind selling it because I brought it just to add to my collection to explore more options. But I'm not sure how it will perform in home audio environment. Considering the extremely low FS, this is the only subwoofer which I found into entry level category which goes down to 22 hertz on paper. Okay, so Ground Zero is known for SPL subwoofers and they love the low frequency bass, and I wanted something which will not reproduce any boomy bass, just a low and low. So that's why I brought it, and I'm thinking to use it into home audio project. So I'm not sure if it will succeed in home audio project or not, but still, if you are looking for this sub, I can sell it off, no problem. But this was video for Ground Zero GZTW 12 MK2 series. So if you have any questions, guys, drop your comments below. This is wonderful sub. If you are getting it into your town, you should definitely buy it. Definitely worth it because of the quality of bass. If you understand what is the low frequency rumble, then definitely go for it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Stay tuned, live loud.